Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am continuing to feed my carbon fiber addiction, and we're going to be installing the center trim piece that goes around the, center console thing. Let's go check it out. So guys, another day, another video, another day in quarantine, another lunch break, another opportunity to get away from my desk and just do something in the garage. This piece of carbon fiber is OEM, just like the trim pieces that I installed recently across the front of my dash. This is from good old Suncoast Parts. I might as well just, at this point, I don't know, give them my 401k. Suncoast Parts is getting a lot of business from me at the moment. I hope you guys are all doing well. So let's take a quick look at the console trim, and then let's go ahead and get it installed. I have to say, this is where I'm drawing the line. No more carbon fiber, for my car. I've got the sports chrono housing, I've got the trim across the front, I've got the door sills, and now I'm gonna have the center trim. I say that though, and there is one other project in the pipeline, and that's with a company, I'm not gonna name them just yet because I haven't seen the product back, but it's a service where you send them your OEM trim, and they send back OEM looking carbon fiber. So it's going to be interesting to see what it's like. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to, give them away and then just replace the OEM parts. But it's the little bit behind the, the door pulls and the airbag area. Oh, and the bits on the post at the very side of the door. Anyway, that's for another video. Today's all about the center console. So let's go take a look at the piece and let's get it installed. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is removing the side trim, and then I'm going to use this rather wide trim removal tool to just pry up the center console. Like I need to remove the OEM plastic insert. I thought I might need to leave this, but this gasket here, or whatever it's called, there's also one on the base of the new piece, so. Haha! Awesome! So that's it for another video, guys. Just a really quick one today. That OEM center trim piece, whatever it's called, looks really sharp. I think, I'm pretty sure Nick Murray's not gonna like it, but you know what, Nick? You need to get on the carbon fiber bandwagon, let me just tell you. I really like it. I would say on a scale of 1 to 5 in terms of level of effort and complexity, it's probably a 1. You always need to be careful when taking out the side center console trim pieces there. They are held on by about 4 or 5 clips, especially the one that requires you to drop the glove box. in order to get the top clip out. And then removing that centerpiece was pretty easy enough. In fact, the hardest part, for a big guy like me, was actually trying to sit sort of perched sideways on my chair and maneuver to actually do the job. That was pretty straightforward. So, got a new week ahead of us. Hopefully a couple of opportunities to make some more videos. I think the majority of them this week will be here in the garage as I work on a few other jobs. I really want to get the rear backup cam job done, but I haven't been able to remove just like one screw that's threaded, unfortunately, which is annoying me. I'm probably gonna have to call on my friend Pat to come over and help me do that one. Anyway, more fun and games to come. Thanks so much for your support. More news on Project 996 coming this week. The two guys that I'm going to be doing the job with are coming over to record a podcast later this week, and we're going to talk in depth about our sort of hopes and desires and fears and concerns, all that good stuff about the job. We think we found the car. It's a coupe. It's a 996. That's all I'm going to say right now. But I can't wait to get it here to the Auto Amateur Garage. I think I'm probably going to sell my Cayenne, get it out of the way, got a dedicated bay, free up some cash for the job, and I'm just really excited. I can't wait to get into it. Thanks for all of the people who keep messaging me saying they're excited for Project 996 and they want to be part of it somehow. We're going to figure out a way to make you, the viewer, part of this job, whether it's live streaming, whether it's live Q&A, whether, Christ, after the pandemic, you want to come out here and tinker with us, whatever it is, we're going to get the community involved on this one. So check out the podcast later this week. More videos coming. Stay in touch, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.